Hello my friends and welcome to another unboxing video. So what we have here is this is a 150 pack of these rubber end caps. Basically they have a bunch of different sizes from big ones to a little bit smaller ones to really small ones. And these are kind of handy. So we actually have some wire shelving that we put on, and it has this end stick out a little bit. So there are, it's cut metal. There's nothing on there. So these can just slip on the end, and that's going to keep you from, getting stabbed on there. It's a nice, kind of rubberized thing. So it's definitely a lot softer than some metal poking out of there. And then you could use this for just various things. Perhaps you have a handle or something that has a sharpened on, or a little bit sharper on one end. You slide that over there. It's going to protect you from getting injured or whatever. So different shelvings, different items like that. They all have. There's a lot of different uses that you can use this for, and so we have a bunch of these. They're really cool. Just a handy item to have. Sometimes there's stuff around the house. You're like, man, I really wish I had some of these to protect the kids or whatever, especially if you have the little ones around and you have pokey things around the house. It's nice to be able to cover those so no one gets injured. You could even put them on the ends of pencils or something like that, just as a little safeguard or something, like on the end of a pen or wherever. So just a lot of different uses, different applications for that. But some pretty handy. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.